The Williams Lake Trailheads starts at the ski resort of Taos. It's a very popular trail with us tourists. 2 miles to go. There's 3 different parking lots. We parked in the first one. This is the entry from the second one. And the ice is melting on the water. We started at the Kachina chairlift. That's some steep skiing up there. It says Williams Lake. Williams Lake is a natural lake, but it doesn't have any fish because it freezes in the winter. Camping and campfires are not permitted along the lake shore to prevent damage to soil and water quality. You can select a campsite at least 300 feet from the streams, lakes, or springs. There are several avalanche chutes apparent along the trail, and winter travelers should be alert to those hazards. A few fast hikers passed us along the way, but we met quite a few as we were heading down and they were heading up. Lots of blue blazes and more uphill. I think it's over 1,000 feet of elevation in 2 miles. Somebody put a log in the perfect place. Somebody's been doing a lot of nice trail work.
We come up 300 feet in elevation.
I always like getting up early and getting on the trail, and then I can take a nap in the afternoon. I sure appreciate all this shade.
Yeah, if we didn't have the shade, we'd be roasting.
Even though it's only 50 degrees.
Yeah, right.
I have to say, I'm pretty thankful that this has all been put aside for us to enjoy.
Keep going up, and going up.
Another landslide area. I think we're getting close to the top. It's 2 miles to the lake. And I bet it's just over some hill. Over to the right is Kachina Peak, I think. Well, one is Kachina Peak. I don't know. We'll figure out which one's Williams when we get there. To the left is Wooler Summit, and Williams Lake is to the right.
Right ahead.
I don't think we'll go to Willer's Peak today.
That's up there.
There's, and then over to the left is Willer Peak. There's people climbing up there today.
Say which we're not doing today.
Which we're not doing today. The hiking dogs were so happy to see the lake and jump in and swim. It really wasn't necessary for them to greet us with a big shake of their wet fur. They had such big smiles, you couldn't be mad at them. Gotta love these free-wheeling flats. Kind of gives you,
downhill angle.
yeah, let you catch your breath.
We have to climb on our hands and knees this time. We're going down on our butts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The 2-mile drive from the paved to the trailhead was pretty bumpy, but very pretty.